So here's the three-way mirror. It looks like it actually comes with this hair bib. And I'm going to go ahead and hold my phone where my eyes are to simulate what it would be like looking at the back of my head. And I think it's working. If you can see the back of my head, then that means it works. Oh yeah, so I just checked it out. It totally works, and yeah, I definitely need a haircut. So I'm gonna do that now. In the back, you've got these kind of like antennas that come out that you hang on the door. And then on the front here, you've got the actual mirrors. So let me go ahead and set this up. This is actually really cool. So I've got it set up here. And then if I want to, I can pull it down to make it lower. Let's see how low I can get it. Well, I just got done cutting my hair. Here's another cool thing about this mirror. So it's just on the door. I could just leave it here. It just stays there. When I want to use it, I can just pull it down, get it to about where I want it, and then open it up. Okay, pretty low actually. This will work for my wife. That's good news. Let's make this my eye again. We'll see if I did a good job. If you can look at the back of my head, see if I cut it well. I'm not really good at cutting hair. I don't know how obvious that is, but I will say this. This mirror makes things so much easier. I actually can see what a terrible job I'm doing now. So I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but I really wish I would have got this mirror a long time ago. It helps out so much. This is legit. This is a cool mirror. I am definitely a fan.